So today we are going to add ourselves a hard disk to the Centos VM that I created not too long ago. So let's examine those two help files or procedures and see which one fits our needs. So we need to mount it to a specific mount point, let's say, and we also need to make sure that it comes after startup. So fdisk -L, I think I saw that one earlier, so yes. Fdisk dev xdcc, all right. Then we are going to do this, and eventually C format, and then we are going to add. Okay, so this procedure looks legit, so let's move it to another screen and try it over here. So let's try to do copy paste. Okay, so we have Centos swap. Why do we have a swap? Okay, so it's SDB. Fantastic. Okay, there we go. We have what we need. And then we will do the fdisk dev. It's going to be SDB. Fantastic. Now we are going to create a new partition. It's going to be a primary one. And partition number, oh, I don't know. Yeah, number 1. Okay, first sector on defaults, last sector on defaults, and that's it. We are done. Fantastic. Now we need to save everything and exit. Fantastic. So we done that. Now we are going to format it properly. Okay, so ext4 is very good. We're not using the other one, the new one that works for LVM. And the reason is one of the copies of the server would be working with Vertica, and Vertica does not like this file system at all, the new one. So it's going to be SDB, right? So that's just the partition, yes, okay. Is it going to be SDB1? 1 second, we'll just cross-verify it with our procedure here. Yeah, so it's going to be SDB1, yes. All right. Writing superbox, and we are done. Fantastic. So now we need to mount. And we are going to do the mount on dev sdb1 / var vols. Does not exist. Mount point does not exist. So we need to create it. Fantastic. So you know what? ll / var. What do we have there? Okay, mcdir / var vol. All right. And now we are going to mount it. Let's see if it works. And it does. So now we have an fs stub. All right. Yeah, it's going to be nano fs stub. We need to add another device over here for the sake of creating a, for seeing this hard disk on every reboot. It's a little bit clumsy. I like the Windows solution to this a little bit better, but what can we do? Not much. So we're going to do dev sdb1, right? It's going. Then we need to add the var vols. You know what? Let's keep it civil. Let's keep it civil. I think those are spaces over there, right? Let's give it a shot to see what's going on. Yes, those are spaces. So it doesn't care. It doesn't read spaces. It just looks for letters. Let's just do that. Move it to practically the same place. Yeah, XFS. So XFS is the one it doesn't like. So, but we like our ext4 partitions. And then it's gonna be defaults. I have no idea what defaults means. Probably it needs defaults. Yes. Yeah. Per the procedure, yes. So it's gonna be default. Come on. And then 0, 0. 0 and 0. Okay, let's save it. Say yes. Reboot. So it's a pretty powerful machine. It should be rebooting itself pretty fast. Let's give it a try and see how it goes. So let's see, df minus h. Do we have it? And there we go. So this is this db, and yes, var vols. Fantastic. So now we have a 1 terabyte hard drive, and it's time to save it into snapshot. So we're gonna use power off. We are no longer a register authentication agent. Well, why do we care? We don't. Great. So this is how you mount a new hard drive to your Linux system. Of course, if you want to mount a hard drive to a mount point that already exists, the procedure is a little bit different. So you need to move out your files and then just mount it to the existing mount point, to the existing folder, and then move files back. But yeah, it's good enough. So fantastic. See you in the next one.